I'm back again with another scrapwood project, and this time I'm carrying on with the red wine barrel lid, and today we're going to make these little hedgehogs. Let's get started. This red wine barrel lid has been kicking around in my shed for a while now. You know, I've used it on some other projects in the past. It'd be nice to use this up. So start off by just sticking the template on the wood and then just cut it out on the bandsaw. Nice and simple. Just going round the whole outside, and then I decided actually I'm going to do a couple of the shapes as well. So I've got different shaped hedgehogs here, and I carried on cutting out a few others. Luckily I didn't really think about this at the time, but red wine or whiskey lids are actually held together with nails, so I could have hit a nail in this, but quite luckily I didn't. But yeah, I just cut it out here, you know, quick and simple. If you are enjoying the content, if you could please give me a follow and subscribe to the channel, that would be great. And then just like that, all three cut out, and now onto the sanding. I'm using a benchtop sander here, but you don't have to use one of them. You could just do it with a orbital sander or even a mouse sander. This is just speeding it up. And also I like using this attachment as well because it helps with getting into curves. And then after I was happy with all them sanding, I moved on by putting the cuts in to represent the spikes. Look at that, first one done. Second one's just as quick, just going around, shooting around. Look at that, looking good. And on to the third one. Do think these ones were a bit too tight together, but not the end of the world. And then onto drilling the eyes and the nose and the mouth on one of them, so like that, and then just removing the template. Then back onto sanding. Here I'm using 320 grit. And then moving on to just a blank disc that I'm pushing down every single cut to sand all the blowout and stuff off the back of each cut. Had to make sure I went in both directions on each cut, so making sure I was sanding each edge, and there you go. And just like that, they are now finished. All we got is these nice little hedgehogs. Now you're probably wondering, what would you use them for? Now you'd look good just on their own, but you could quite easily put business card holders in them, photos, any pieces of notes. So look, just slide it in like that, and look, voila. You could use them for multiple things. And I think this would look quite cool if you have every single business card all the way around, or even in one like this. And you think, I made these out of a red wine barrel lid that I had kicking around. The barrel lid originally cost me £10, and I made multiple products out of it. Now, one less thing for you to let you know down below, which one's your favourite? If you enjoyed this video, then I've queued up another video using the same offcuts from the red barrel right here for you. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.